Meron kayong neck hams, follow niyo ako. Ganito ang gawin niyo guys. 2 to 3 minutes. Gawin niyo to araw-araw. Yung dito guys, yung neck hams, gawin niyo to guys. 2 to 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 3 minutes guys, 2 to 3 minutes gawin nyo to araw-araw. Kung meron kayong neck hams, ganito. Ibin nyo yung paa nyo sa likod. Ganyan. Thank you for watching guys. Yan guys, gawin natin ito araw-araw kung masakit ang ating neck hams. Yan. Yung sa likod ng liig natin. Yan. 2 to 3 minutes guys. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.